Welcome back. In today's video, I'll present to you 10 one-pan tasty recipes. Recipe 1. Grilled chicken and veggie bowl. Ingredients: 1 pound of boneless skinless chicken breasts, 1 sliced red bell pepper, 1 sliced yellow bell pepper, 1 sliced red onion, 1 sliced zucchini, 1 sliced yellow squash, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: avocado, chopped cilantro, lime wedges for serving. Instructions: First, preheat a grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. In a large bowl, combine the chicken breasts, sliced bell peppers, red onion, zucchini, yellow squash, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper and toss until everything is well coated. Grill the chicken and veggies for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are slightly charred and tender. Remove from the grill and let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing it into strips. To assemble the bowls, divide the grilled chicken and veggies evenly among 4 bowls. If you like, top with chopped avocado, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. Recipe 2. 1 pan roasted salmon and vegetables. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, 1 pound baby potatoes, halved, 1 pound asparagus, trimmed, 1 lemon, sliced, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Optional: fresh herbs for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, toss the potatoes and asparagus with the garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Arrange the vegetables on a large sheet pan in a single layer, leaving space in the center for the salmon fillets. Season the salmon fillets with the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Drizzle with the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil and place them in the center of the sheet pan, skin side down. Scatter lemon slices around the pan. Roast for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender and golden brown. Garnish with fresh herbs, if desired, and serve immediately. Recipe 3. Baked chicken and rice. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, 1 cup rice, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 sliced zucchini, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix rice, chicken broth, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper in a baking dish. Add chicken and vegetables on top of the rice mixture. Cover with foil and bake for 45 minutes. Uncover and bake for another 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Recipe 4. Veggie fajitas. Ingredients: 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 sliced zucchini, 1 sliced yellow squash, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, flour tortillas for serving. Instructions: preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the vegetables with olive oil, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper in a baking dish. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the veggies are tender and slightly charred. Finally, serve with warm tortillas. Recipe 5. Teriyaki salmon and broccoli. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 1 pound broccoli florets, 1 sliced onion, 1/4 cup teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the broccoli and onion with teriyaki sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper in a baking dish. Then add the salmon fillets on top of the veggies and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the veggies are tender. Recipe 6. Lemon garlic shrimp and asparagus. Ingredients: 1 pound shrimp, 1 pound asparagus, 4 cloves minced garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the shrimp and asparagus with garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper in a baking dish. Add lemon slices on top of the shrimp and asparagus. Then bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the shrimp are pink and cooked through and the asparagus is tender. Recipe 7. Chicken and veggie stir-fry. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, sliced, 2 cups broccoli florets, 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 sliced onion, 2 sliced carrots, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup honey, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, cornstarch, garlic, and ginger. In a large skillet or wok, heat the oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until browned. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. Add the veggies to the pan and stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes, or until tender. Then add the chicken back to the pan, pour the sauce over the top, and stir to coat. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened and the chicken is cooked through. Recipe 8. Mediterranean chicken and vegetables. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, 2 cups diced zucchini, 2 cups diced eggplant, 1 diced red onion, 1 pint cherry tomatoes, 4 cloves minced garlic, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together the zucchini, eggplant, onion, tomatoes, garlic, oregano, basil, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread the veggies evenly in a baking dish, then add the chicken on top of the veggies and bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. Recipe 9. Mexican quinoa. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 diced onion, 1 diced bell pepper, 2 cups cooked quinoa, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large skillet over medium-high heat, cook the ground beef until browned. Add the onion and bell pepper to the skillet and cook until tender. Add the cooked quinoa, black beans, diced tomatoes, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Then stir everything together and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until heated through. Recipe 10. Coconut curry chicken and vegetables. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, sliced, 2 cups chopped sweet potato, 1 diced onion, 1 diced bell pepper, 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 can coconut milk, 2 tablespoons red curry paste, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 cloves minced garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large skillet over medium-high heat, cook the chicken in olive oil until browned. Add the sweet potato, onion, and bell pepper to the skillet and cook until tender. Then add the chickpeas, coconut milk, red curry paste, fish sauce, honey, garlic, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Stir everything together and bring to a simmer. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the sweet potato is tender. I hope you found this video of value.